I'm Miss Byrd, and this is Freddie the Frog. Hi, kids. And together we're going to have another wonderful day. And we're going to go back to the letter house and the letter A. And before that, we always love to sing songs. Yeah. And we're going to sing Ziminy. We always like to sing Ziminy. That's our favorite song. So when you hear the little shakers, that lets you know that it's about time to sing. Here we go. Dun, dun. Here you go. Ziminy zee, yeah, ziminy zay. Yes, indeed, it's such a marvelous day. Plenty of fun times headed our way. Ziminy zee, yeah, ziminy zay. Oh, yay. We'll go ahead. And go ahead. And so, kids, you probably had your mom and dad get you a worksheet out. He's breaking it up. Oh, here we go. Freddie's got it. Got it. Here we go. So you can use the one that you worked on last time for lesson 1, or you can use it again for this one. Or if you're just new here, just go ahead and get a new sheet. Your mom and dad probably broke that out for you. Yeah. And so what I like to do first is I like to make our letter lines. And first we start with a green grass bottom line, right? Yeah. And Freddie, point to where the green grass bottom line starts. Okay. Right there, yes, right underneath the tree. Good. Hold it up there. Thank you, Freddie. Good. Okay. So let's go ahead and start. We'll start all the way over here, the green grass bottom line, with your green crayon, and come all the way across. Good. Lift. Very nice. Very nice. And next we're going to do the red dot middle line. Freddie, could you point to the red dot middle line for us? Yeah. Oh, he's pointing to it. There's a red arrow. It's right in the middle. So I'll go ahead and start here with this red crayon. On the count of 3, hold yours up. 1, 2, 3, red crayon up so we could all see. Good. Next, start over here. Oh, he's pointing to it. There you go. Got it. Start here. And just make a red dot middle line. Just dot along that middle line. You've already done it once, but we like to do it again. And make it very nice and strong. Lift. Good work, everybody. Freddie's watching. And next, I want you to lift up a blue sky top line, a blue crayon on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold it up. Good job. Thank you. And Freddie, point to the blue sky top line, the blue crayon. Right there, he's got the blue arrow. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Freddie. Such a good worker. Yeah. Go ahead up here and go ahead and trace the blue sky top line all the way across. Good job. And next I want to make, oh, look at the green, yeah, he's pointing to the green grass bottom line over here. Green grass bottom. We got to make some grass on our green grass bottom line, don't we, kids? Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Go ahead and make there's some grass around that tree. I want to help out with the tree a little bit. Can we make some more? Oh, nice. Go ahead and make the tree a little bit. And this is the inside of the house, so I don't want to make any grass inside the house. But over here, it's outside the house, so I can make some grass over here. Yeah, make some grass. That's really nice. Okay, good. And Freddie and kids, can you tell me, here's our house, so we put your finger here and just follow that line up to the top, the top of the house, and now make the roof past the chimney and all the way down the other side of the roof and down the other side of the house. Now we're going to go downstairs, underground, into the basement. Underground. There's our basement. And back up. Good. Next, I'm going to point my finger to something, an area in the house. Let's just, for review, I'll go say this is a downstairs. You could see the table, the stove, where the water is. This is downstairs. This is upstairs where the bedrooms are. Back downstairs. Now this is downstairs. And this is, go back down the stairs. And this is the basement, like where you store a bicycle, workout equipment, and boxes. So I'm going to point and you tell me where I'm pointing to. Basement! Okay, good job. What's this one? Downstairs. Good job. What's this part up here? Upstairs. Okay, good. Next, I'm going to, what's this part? Downstairs. One more. Basement. Good job. Almost forgot. Oh my goodness. So here we have basement. This is downstairs and upstairs. Very nice. So let's go ahead and put, ready? You got it? Put it down. Kids, go ahead and you put this to the side. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of work, wasn't it? Upstairs, downstairs, maybe some grass. We have the new, we're going to do the letter A today. Brand new, first time. So your parents probably made your worksheet. It's probably there for you. I'm going to hold it up. Oh, Freddie's got it. Oh, he's going. Oh, he's putting it up. So this sheet will have a red apple over here and an ant. Can you find this? Hold this up. Point to it, Freddie. Point to the red apple. See that red apple? I want you to, everybody, to hold up their red apple worksheet for me. On the count of 3, hold it up. 1, 2, 3. Red apple sheet up. Good. Put it down on your desk or table. But we're going to do the lines again. So we always like to start with a fun green, beautiful green grass bottom line. Yeah, that's Freddie's color. He loves green. He's a frog. Yeah. So we'll start over here. Oh, look at, he's already pointing to it. Start over here, green grass bottom line. Oh, keep going. Trace that green grass bottom line all the way to the other side. Lift. Next one I want to do is the red dot middle line over here. Freddie's pointing to it. Yeah. Start over here at the red arrow and go ahead and mark it with a little dot going all the way across. Good. Lift. Are you getting that? Next one is the blue sky top line. On the count of 3, everybody show me their blue crayon. 1, 2, 3. Blue crayon up. Very nice. Good. Oh, Freddie's he's gonna point to the blue arrow. Start up here where he had his hand. Yeah. And go ahead and make the blue sky top line. Very nice. Good job. Oh my goodness. We have the, oh look at, he's pointed to it. The green grass bottom line. Oh boy. The red dot middle line. Very nice, Freddie. And the blue sky top line. Yeah. Okay. Oh, he's trying to hold it again. Yeah. I got it. So next we're going to start with the letter A. I know you've been waiting for this. Let's make our letter A. Let's go ahead and start. I want you to start at X marks the spot. Yes, can you find it? Freddie can find it. Got it. That's it. He's pointing to it. Okay. Everybody on the count of 3, hold up your yellow crayon. On the count of 3, hold it up. 1, 2, 3, yellow crayon up. Good. Very nice. Start here. And then follow a straight slant line going all the way to the blue sky top line. Stop. And then make it come down again. Slant line all the way down to the green grass bottom line. Lift. Go right here to the middle dot line, red dot line, and make a strong dot, strong yellow line right there in the middle. Wow, what good work we do. Yeah. He likes to look. He likes to look at everybody. Ah, good. Yeah, everybody's doing so good here. Next, I want you to hold up your orange crayon. On the count of 3, orange crayon up. 1, 2, 3, hold it up. Good. That's a pretty color. And I want you to start again at X marks the spot. Freddie's pointing it out for us right here. So what we're doing is calling rainbow writing. We're going to trace it with a brand new color that's beautiful. Start here at X marks the spot. Trace that straight slant line all the way to the blue sky top line. Stop. Again, straight as slant to the green grass bottom line. Stop. Right in the middle dot line, red dot middle, put a strong cross on that. Can you see it? You can't see what That's better. You can see that I crossed it. That's a letter. That's an uppercase big letter A. Woohoo! I might say that again. This is an uppercase big letter A that you just made. Oh, I can't wait to see it. We go one more color. What color should we use? I want to use green. Oh, that's a fun color. Yeah, Freddie thinks so too. Well, he loves green. So go, oh, he's already pointing to X marks the spot. There, I see it. Got it. So go ahead and start here at X marks the spot. Start here and go at a straight line, a straight slanted line, all the way up to the blue sky top line. You're tracing this. And over here, straight slanted line all the way down to the green grass bottom line. Lift and make a cross right in the middle where the red dot line is. Make it strong so we could see it all the way across. Lift. Isn't that turning out beautiful? We have 3 colors and they're all on top of each other, and it makes a brand new kind of a multicolored line. It's gorgeous. Oh, we love this. We call it, when we do this, rainbow writing. So fun, so beautiful. Your parents are going to love this. Oh, and next one we're going to do, now this is the uppercase big letter A. All together, everybody say uppercase big letter A. Freddie, can you help me? Yeah, I'll hold this. You would go ahead. Uppercase big letter A. A. Say it with Freddie, everybody. Uppercase big letter A. A. Good job. So this is uppercase big letter A, and it's downstairs and upstairs. Yeah, see, you can see your house. Here's your house. Here's the chimney. There's the basement. This is downstairs. This is upstairs. This is a basement. But an uppercase big letter A is downstairs and upstairs. Now this is a big letter A. Let's make the little letter A. Now the little letter A doesn't look like big letter A at all, does it? But it is. It's the little letter A. So let's start with the sunshine yellow color. Everybody hold up the color yellow. 1, 2, 3, yellow up. Good. And I want you to start with X marks the spot if you can find it. Freddie, can you find it for us? Yeah. He's having trouble. He's got it. Oh, nobody could see it though. That's better. Can you see him pointing to it? Yeah. I can see it. Okay. Go ahead, Freddie. Hold on. Got it. And here's X marks the spot. And now, this is harder. I'll tell you that right now. It's harder. So start here, and you're going to go straight down from the red dot middle line, straight down to the green grass bottom line. Lift. See, there's a little black dot right here. And you're going to circle around. Trace that roundabout line. Stop at the dot. You did it! Oh, that was hard. And I know you're doing a good job. Hang in there. We're going to do another color too. I want to do... Oh, Freddie's working hard. He's holding it up for it. You guys have a desk to put it down, but we have to hold ours up so you guys can see what we're doing, huh? So let's go ahead. Start at the X marks the spot right here, and go straight down to the green grass bottom line. Lift. Start at the dot right there. Join us all together, and let's go ahead and do that roundabout. Woohoo! We're doing it, everybody. Next, I want to see green grass bottom line, but we're not going to do the bottom line. We're going to do the letter A. Go ahead. Hold up your green crayon. 1, 2, 3. Hold it up. Good. Start again at X marks the spot. Go straight down. Lift. Start at this little black dot and do a roundabout. Start ending at the dot. Look at that. I can't wait to see your work. Yeah. Okay, on the count of 3, everybody hold up your paper, your work onto the camera, and let's take a look. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hold it up. Freddie likes to look at everybody's work. Good. Thank you. Oh, very nice. What a wonderful group we have. So if you'll notice, let's talk about the lowercase little letter a right here. Is it upstairs? Mm-mm. Is it downstairs? Yep, it's downstairs. Is it in the basement? No, it's not in the basement. But is it downstairs? Yep, it's downstairs. Upstairs? No, not upstairs. Just downstairs. And this is a letter. You did it, kids. You made the uppercase big letter A. And you made a lowercase little letter a. Oh, such a good job. Now this is the name of the letter. But the sound of the letter when we're reading is ah. The sound is ah. The name of the letter is A. Once again, the name of the letter is A. The sound of the letter is ah. Well, to say it again, the name of the letter is A. Say it with me, kids. The name of the letter is A. The sound of the letter is ah. Your turn. Say it with me. The sound of the letter is ah. Lots of times when we say the alphabet, we just say A, ah. The name and the sound. We just say them together. And we always remember it that way. Yeah. Again, I want you to say A, ah. Everybody, including Freddie. A, ah. Again, A, ah. A, ah. Good job. What's the name of the letter, everybody? A. Good. Say it loud. I want to hear it. What's the sound of the letter? Ah. Good job. Is this a big letter A here? Uppercase? Yeah, Freddie's saying yes. Okay. And this is the lowercase little a. Is that right? Yeah. Thank you. Yes, everybody knows now. Everybody's doing so nice. Oh, I love your work. Now be sure and show your mom and dad your beautiful A's. Uppercase A, big letter, and lowercase little letter. Name of the letter is A. The sound of the letter is ah. Sometimes we just say A, ah, for fun. Yeah. So you can put this down. What a wonderful time I've had with you. I can't wait. So nice to see you. I can't wait to see you again for our next lesson. Next lesson we'll be reviewing the A. Yeah. And we're going to be learning the letter B. So hopefully you'll have time to do our lesson. But let's go ahead. I'd love to do another Ziminy, but this is our closing Ziminy. Ready? Where's the shaker? I'm coming. Here. Oh, here it is. Let's go. Ziminy Z, yeah, Ziminy Z. So nice seeing you, a marvelous day. See you next time. We like to play all the day. Ziminy Z, yeah, Ziminy Z. Oh, yay. So nice to see you, kids. We'll see you in your next lesson. Bye.